गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यानम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We saw last week about the Dhatu Devatas, right? Who are the Dhatu Devatas? Do you remember anything? These are the Devatas. They are none other than Lalita Devi herself, who is present in 7 different places in our body. And then she is nourishing us. Being the Dhatu Devata, she is nourishing our body, mind and intelligence, everything she is ruling. But as per Ayurveda and our Shastras, it is said that our body is made of 7 dhatus. Rakta, Rasa, or whatever we see, the blood, the bones, they are all just segregated. The skin, like that, 7 different things have been divided into 7 parts, and they are nourished by these energies of Devi. Okay, and last week we saw it was Vajreshwari, Vamadevi, Vayovastha Vivarjita, Siddheshwari, Siddhavidya, Siddhamata and Yashaswini. These are the 7 Dhatu Devatas. Now each Devata is described next. So it starts from Vishuddha Chakram. So before that we will just chant these last 4 verses that we did last week, and then we will continue. From Sumukhi Nalini. Sumukhi Nalini Subhruh Shobhana Suranayika Kalakanthi Kantimati Kshobhini Sukshmarupini Vajreshwari Vamadevi Vayovastha Vivarjita Siddheshwari Siddhavidya Siddhamata Yashaswini. So these are the 7 Devatas that we are going to see now in the next set of verses, names of Lalita Devi. These are the about the Dhatu Devatas it's going to come. And before that it is said that Amma is no different from Lord Shiva. They are one and she is so subtle, Sukshma Rupini. She is the one which brings movement in Lord Shiva himself. Otherwise he is always in his own self meditating. But because of the vibration of Amma, the Kshobhini form of Amma only, the creation happened. Okay, let's do the new verses from Vishuddha Chakra. Who would like to volunteer?
Auntie, can I?
Yes, Akshaya. Thank you. Repeat twice after me, okay?
Okay, auntie.
Vishuddha chakra nilaya.
Vishuddha chakra nilaya. Vishuddha chakra nilaya.
Rakta varna.
Rakta varna. Rakta varna.
One second, we'll write this as Vishuddhi. Vishuddhi chakra nilaya.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya. Vishuddhi chakra nilaya.
Arakta varna.
Arakta varna. Arakta varna.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya rakta varna.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya.
Rakta varna.
Rakta varna.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya rakta varna.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya. Rakta varna.
Trilochan.
Vishuddhi chakra nilaya. Rakta varna.
Trilochana.
Trilochana. Trilochana.
Here the A sound is, it is A rakta, means she is filled with red color. So that is why, but when it is combined, it is just said as one word. Chakra nilaya rakta varna, it comes. That's why there is little confusion there. There is that hyphen, right? So just say it together.
Okay, auntie.
Okay. Khatwangadi.
Katvangi. Katvangi.
No. Khatwa.
Katva. Katva.
Khatwanga.
Katvanga. Katvanga.
Adi.
Adi.
Khatwangadi.
Katvangandi.
Khatwangadi. Correct.
Katvangadi.
No, don't say as separate. Say them as together. Like one A. Khatwangadi.
Katvangdi.
It is Adi. Khatwangadi. Khatwa. Va.
Katvadi.
Mama. See, Khatwangadi. Khatwangadi.
Auntie, can you repeat it?
Yes, Nana. See, Khatwanga. It is, don't say as separate. Khatwa and Anga. Say them together. That's it. Khatwanga.
Katvanga.
That's it. Say again.
Katvanga.
Khatwangadi.
Katvangdi.
Okay, with practice it will come. Khatwangadi. Say once more. Khatwangadi.
Katvangadi.
Yeah. Praharana.
Praharana. Praharana.
Khatwangadi praharana.
Katvangadi. Praharana.
You got it. Yes. Vadanaika.
Vadanaika. Vadanaika.
Samanvita.
Samanvita. Samanvita.
Vadanaika samanvita.
Vadanaika samanvita.
Payasana.
Payasana. Payasana.
Priya.
Priya. Priya.
Twakstha.
Can you repeat?
Twak. Twak.
Twak.
Stha.
Sta. Twaksta.
Yes.
Twaksta.
Correct. Twak means skin. So she is staying in her skin. Payasana priya twakstha.
Payasana priya taksva. Payasana priya taksva.
Twakstha.
Twaksta. Twaksta.
Pashuloka.
Pashuloka. Pashuloka.
Bhayankari.
Bhayankari. Bhayankari.
Pashulokabhayankari.
Pashulokabhayankari. Pashulokabhayankari.
Amrutadi.
Amrtadi. Amrtadi.
Mahashakti.
Mahashakti. Mahashakti.
Amrutadi Mahashakti.
Amrtadi Mahashakti. Amrtadi Mahashakti.
Samvrita.
Samvrita. Samvrita.
Dakinishwari.
Dakinishwari. Dakinishwari.
Okay. So what these verses are saying is from Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya to Dakinishwari is one set. Here Vishuddhi Chakra is which one? Which is Vishuddha Chakra? Vishuddhi Chakra. It is the chakra located near our neck. This is Vishuddha Chakra. So Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya. So Amma is staying there. Nilaya means she is staying there. And she is Arakta Varna. She is red in color. Rakta means red. So Rakta Varna. Varna means color. And she is having 3 eyes. Trilochana. We know, right? She is always having 3 eyes. So Trilochana. She knows everything. She can see past, present, future, everything she is aware. Next, Khatvangadi means she is holding weapons. Khatvanga is a weapon. Adi means etc. Some more weapons she is holding. Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita. And she is having one face. Vadana Eka means one face she is having. So many gods and goddesses will have 2 faces, 3 faces, 6 faces, right? So like that many devatas will come now. So now this devata has one face. So Vadana Eka Samanvita. Then this Amma likes payasam. We all make, right, during festivals, anything special, payasam. So Amma likes payasam here. Payasana Priya. She likes it. And she is Twakstha. She is located in our skin. Twak means skin. Twakstha Pashuloka Bhayankari. So whoever is ignorant and they are not aware, they are like animalistic behavior. So that is Pashuloka. Like Devaloka, Pashuloka. All are in ignorance. They behave selfishly and they don't know the truth. They are everything they want for themselves. They want to eat. How animals will be? They just want to. They will eat. They will sleep. They will roam around. Nothing, no other job, right, for them. So that is Pashuloka. So when human beings also behave like that, for those people, she is Bhayankari. She will cause trouble and she will punish. She will be like scared. Those people will get scared of Amma. Looking at Amma, they will be, Amma is so scary. She is wearing all like skulls, like Kali Mata, or she is looking so terrific. So those people will get scared. But if we are devotees of Amma and we are connected to Amma, for us she is mother. She is Amma for us, right? She will take care of us. She will give anything we want. She will do everything for us. So that is the difference of Pashus and Suras. So that is what this is about the first chakra and which devata is there and how she looks, how many faces she has, and what is her name is described. So what is here next? Her name is described. Amrutadi. Amrita means it is the first name. So she is located here as the devata name is Dakini. Okay, so she is the Ishwari. She is the controller of this chakra. So she is Dakinishwari. And a set of letters, the sounds are located here. Okay, the syllables are there, right, in Sanskritam from A to Ha. So that whole set is divided into 7 parts, just like 7 chakras. So one color is there. See, Varna means color also. So one color. This Vishuddha Chakram is from A to Aha, will be Vishuddha Chakra letters. So this whole set, they are the 16 letters. So they are covered in this. So first Devi, the 16 out of 16 letters, the first one is, it starts with A, right? The letters start with A. So Amrita Devi is first Devi. So like that, A means another Devi will be there with A name. E means different Devi. So all these Devis are located here, the sound energies. And to all these Devis, Dakini Devi is the controller. She is the Ishwari. So Amrita and means the Devata, A Devata, and Adi means all other 15 also means Adi, etc. So Amrita, Adi, Mahashakti. So all these Mahashaktis, Samvrita together are controlled by Dakinishwari. Amrita, Adi, Mahashakti, Samvrita, Dakinishwari. So Dakini is the Ishwari, the Devi who controls and manages the whole set of 16 Devatas. Okay, got it? So much is there. See, Amma in so many forms, so many ways, Amma is present within our body, and she is energizing us, nourishing us, and helping us. So these Devatas help us in, they do the skin, the Twakstha. The Devi helps in formation of skin. So even when the kids are born, the baby infant will be, the fetus will be in the womb of mother. That time also, as the baby grows, so these things will be developed, these dhatus, and those dhatu devatas are nourished, and the baby is born with all these things, like skin is formed, blood is formed, bones are formed, like that. So for first 7 months, all these dhatus are formed, and from after 7th month of the baby, then it will have the feeling of eye and all. So till 7 months, that won't be there. So these devatas nourish. So when ladies also, when they are pregnant, if they consume like this first month, all they offer to this Dakini Devi and consume payasam as prasadam, so then that dhatu will nourish the baby's skin, baby's bones, baby's blood, like that, baby's majja, medha, all those dhatus. It is all connected. So it's connected to our 6 chakras, also our the birth time, when how all the changes happen in the fetus, and it is nourishing us. And even in Sri Chakra, it is connected. Sri Chakra has Navavarnas, right? The 7 chakras are connected to the Sri Chakra Devatas also. Now Vajreshwari. So the first Devata we saw, right? Vajreshwari. She is a Vajreshwari who is in Sri Chakra. Let's go to Sri Chakra. Eight. Where is our Sri Chakram? Okay. So Vajreshwari is located. There are 2 different types of Vajreshwari Devatas also. In the triangle are Mahakameshwari, Mahavajreshwari, and Mahabhagamalini are there. Then again Vajreshwari will be there in the surrounding of this triangle. They are the Tithi Devatas. In the Tithi Devatas, the 6th Tithi Devata is Vajreshwari. We saw, right, different Tithi Devatas. So in those, the 15, the 6th phase is Vajreshwari. So now that Vajreshwari Devi is the first Devi who is connected to, again, this first set of Vishuddha Chakram until the Dakineshwari. So for this chakra, this Vajreshwari is connected. So these 7 Devatas, Vajreshwari, Vamadevi, Vayovastha, Vivarjita, Siddheshwari, Siddhavidya, Siddhamata, Yashaswini. So these 7 Devatas are connected to 7 chakras, right? So 7 chakras are connected to 7 dhatus, and the devatas present there, and the devatas are connected to the syllables of Sanskritam, our letters. All the letters are divided in all the 7 chakras. Okay, and those set of letters are again ruled by a separate devata. Now here for this Vishuddhi chakra, it is Dakinishwari Devi. Okay, is it confusing? Little bit? We will get it when we understand different. Now next week when we see different chakra, again different devata will be there, different devata, how she looks, what prasadam she likes, all that will come. So we will understand gradually. So first for today, this Vishuddhi chakra is connected to first 16 letters from A to Aha, and the Devi is Dakinishwari. She is having one face, she is holding the weapons of Khatvanga and etc. And she likes payasam. She likes payasanna priya. First Devi is Amrita Devi. Name of Devi is Amrita. Like that, all different Devis names will start with A, I, U and all those things. Okay, so that is the importance of these verses. Any question? Got it? Okay. Fine. Then we will repeat together from Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya to Dakinishwari. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Raktavarna Trilochana Khatvangadi Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita Payasanna Priya Twakstha Pashuloka Bhayankari Amritadi Mahashakti Samruta Dakinishwari. Okay, who would like to go ahead? Little difficult, right? I will chant with you. Anybody can volunteer. I'll also join you guys. Okay, Surya. Okay, together, 3 of us. First, you both try. Let me see whether you can do.
विशुद्धि चक्र निलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना खट्वांगी प्रहर खट्वांगादि प्रहरणा वदनैक्य समन्विता पायसान प्रिया त्वक्स्ता पशुलोक भयंकरी अमृतादि महाशक्ति समृता Dakineshwari.
You got it. Very good. Okay, next, Sitara.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Rakta Vadna Trilochana Katvangadi Praharana Vadanaita Samanvita Payasana Priya Twaksta Pashuloka Bhayankari Amritadi Mahashakti Samvrita Dakineshwari.
Perfect. Nice. Next, anybody else?
Auntie, could I go?
Try, Nana.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Rakta Varatilochana.
Varna.
Auntie, could you repeat it one more time?
Yeah. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Rakta Varna Trilochana.
Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Rakta Varana Trilochana.
Khatvangadi
Praharana Vadana Eka Samanvita Pasaina Priya
Payasam, right? Payasana
Priyatwasta Pashaloka Bhayankari Amritadi Mahashakta Samrita Dakinishwara.
Ishwari, you have to see letters properly.
Okay.
Okay, wherever two A's are there, you have to elongate the sound. Twakstha, like that. Payasanna. And double N means anna. You have to stress it. Payasanna. Like that. Okay, good.
Thank you, Auntie.
Good try. Nice. Anybody else? Okay, if nobody. See, these prasadams and all are very important because when we offer to Devi, only that we get, right, as blessing. So prasadam is very important. Anything we eat, we should offer to God and then consume it. That becomes a prasadam and that will have blessings of Devi. See, if we simply, anybody eats, just leave. What is the difference? If we just keep like that, we can think. But then if a person simply eats, it won't have that love and compassion and blessings in it. But when we offer all devat, like how human beings eat with hands and with whole solid food, eat and fill our stomach, like that devata will have the prasadam just by looks. When she looks at the prasadam, it's like she has taken, and it will have the blessings in return. So whatever we offer, we get it back, right? So that is very, very important. If anything we eat, we should take as prasadam. Then we are aware that from where it is coming. It's not simply that I have money, I got my food and I am eating. I am great. That feeling will come. We become pride and we'll have ego. But when we take as prasadam, we know that it is Amma who is giving the food. The food, form of food is Amma. She is the one who is eating. Everything is Amma. So we have that awareness and we surrender to Amma and we get the blessings of it. Otherwise, I am only great, that ego will come. So when we have this prasadam, prasada bhavana will come. Means will be pleasant always. Anyway, see, when prasadam, sometimes if it is not so tasty, but still we accept it because it will have the blessings. So similarly in life also, sometimes we don't like few things that come to life. Sometimes something we don't like will happen, but still we accept it. Okay, now suppose this COVID situation, we all have to sit at home, we can't go out much, no school, no, we can't go school, be with friends and all. So still we accept this situation and just get along, just waiting for it to be over. So we accept everything in life. So it's a prasadam. Whatever comes in life is a prasadam, means it's a blessing. So at home we sit and attend so many different talks. We do different other creative things, other classes are arranged online. So that benefit we are taking, right? So we have to enjoy this particular period. So any period is blessing only, good or bad. Anything that happens is Amma's blessing only. So whether it is food as we are taking as the prasadam or the life situations, everything is Amma's blessing only for us. We cannot complain or expect, I want this, I want that, I want this prasadam, I want this prasadam. No, whatever we get, that is the prasadam. That is Amma's blessing for us. Okay, so that is very, very important thing, the prasadam. Okay, fine. Let us do the ending shlokas. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।